Hi, I'm Amy, and I call myself the DIY Dabster. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Are you looking for an easy fall DIY? Would you like to hang this banner in your home? Great, let's get started. This banner is made using a printable file. This file is available in my Etsy shop, Helping Hand by Amy. You will find a link to the shop and to the listing in the description for this video. Keep watching to learn how you can get the file at a discount. First, let's talk about the supplies you will need. I will have links to the supplies I used in the description of this video. You will need scissors, hole punch, glue stick or tape runner, ribbon twine or yarn, and foam adhesive dots or foam mounting squares. If you have a paper trimmer, that will come in handy. I really like my Cricut trimmer. You will need white cardstock and black cardstock. The cheapest option I found for this is to buy packages of it when it is on sale at Hobby Lobby. When Paper Studio products are 50% off, you can get 50 sheets for $3. You will need 9 sheets of white cardstock and 6 sheets of black for this product. Another option is to have the PDF file printed on white cardstock at Office Depot or a similar store. If you opt to do that, you will only need to purchase black cardstock to finish the project. Now let's look at what you will find in your PDF file. There are 9 pages. The first page is a pattern. There are 5 pages of orange gingham banner shapes and 2 pages of circles with the letters that spell Hello Fall. The final page has the 11th orange gingham banner piece and the pumpkin. The pattern should print out to be about 7.5 inches tall and 5.5 inches wide. Don't worry if your printer doesn't print it to those exact dimensions. You can cut 2 banner shapes out of 1 piece of black cardstock. You should cut a total of 11. For extra reinforcement, I recommend putting a piece of clear packing tape on the back across the top of each black banner piece. Then use your hole punch to punch holes as shown on the pattern. The orange gingham banner shapes should print out to be about 6.5 inches by 5 inches. Cut out all 11 of these. The last bit of cutting you need to do is to cut out the circles with the letters and the circle with the pumpkin. I hope you are enjoying this video. I'd appreciate it if you would like the video, subscribe, and comment. To assemble each banner, you will need a black banner, an orange gingham banner, and a circle. Use a tape runner or glue stick and attach the gingham banner to the black banner. Be sure to center it and leave a 1/2 inch of the black showing at the top. Now consider the square portion of the orange gingham banner shape and eyeball the center of it. That is where you will put your glue dot. Then you will attach the circle. Here are all the banner shapes, ready to be strung onto a ribbon, yarn, or twine. I used chunky black yarn for my banner. String them so the ribbon, yarn, or twine passes behind the banner pieces. Go to the back through the hole on the left and then to the front through the right-hand hole. If you wish, you can tape your yarn to the back of the banner pieces to keep them equally spaced. Here is the completed garland on my fireplace, all ready for fall. Thank you so much for watching the video this far. I would like to take a few more minutes of your time and share with you 3 more products from my Etsy shop, Helping Hand by Amy. If you watch to the end, I will have a special surprise for you. The first product that is new for this fall is the Halloween Fun Bundle. It is a bundle of 4 different printables for kids. There is a Halloween I Spy game where the player must find 8 items hidden in the image of the haunted house. There is a Halloween maze. The objective is to help the little witch get to the tall tower. There are 5 Halloween coloring pages. and 4 coloring bookmarks. Just cut them apart and color. The second new fall product is a Halloween bingo game called Ghost. This printable consists of an instruction page, 10 bingo cards, and 45 calling cards. The cards print 1 per page. You can slip them in page protectors and use them again and again. The calling cards print 9 to a page, and there are 5 pages of them. All you need to do is cut along the dotted lines. You can use this set to play traditional 5 in a row bingo. One of the cards has the phrase trick or treat on it, and it acts as a wild card. The players can choose which square on their card they would like to mark. Using that card makes the game a bit easier and quicker. To make the game a bit more challenging, the players can try to make patterns that resemble the letters in the word ghost. G, H, O, S, or T. The last product I want to share with you today is an autumn alphabet activity book for kids. It is a 30-page printable that is filled with lots of different fall-themed activities. Here are a few examples. There are counting activities and drawing prompts. On almost every page there is something to color. There is a pumpkin patch I Spy game and a couple of mazes. On some pages there is an opportunity to learn something new, and there are also matching and math activities. There is printing practice for every letter in the alphabet. The last page is a bonus word search that contains all 26 words featured in the book. I am running a Get Ready for Fall sale until the end of August 2022. If you buy 3 or more products, you will receive 20% off. Since you have watched until the end of the video, here is an even better offer for you. Use promo code VIEWER25 to receive 25% off when purchasing 3 or more products. This code is valid until September 30th, 2022. I am also running some specials on individual products over the Labor Day weekend, so be sure to check those out as well. Thanks again for watching.